welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Isibaya from the 9th to the 13th of November 2020 on Monday. Ngwebetla tells Samsoni who was behind Melusi causing all the trouble. Jerry and Nolwandle's romance hit a speed bump. And Mabui lays her feeling on the line to a man she never stopped loving on Tuesday. Mkabai discovered the stolen money and Fezile think he knows who did it. Sbu makes a romantic choice, but not everyone is ready to accept it on Wednesday. Pumelele has a surprising news for Fenyang. Dabula finds himself being hunted. Meanwhile, Iris makes a shocking discovery about Samson on Thursday. Ntwetla confront Londiwe with the truth. Iris plays her trump card with Samson. Ntwentle takes a definitive stand against her family on Friday. Sbu and Mabui takes things to the next level. Mpihlangene uses an error on Mulefenyane's side to make things harder for Pumelele. Melusi confront Londiwe about using him. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.